I'm Mandy. Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today, we're making the perfect stir-fry water spinach. Unlike other veggies, it contains a higher content of iron, which will oxidize easily during cooking and give the water spinach a great color. I will show you a unique method called water stir fry, and you will have beautifully cooked water spinach in a vivid green color all the time. Let's get started. Wash and rinse the water spinach several times, then shake the excess water. Remove the stem and cut the spinach into 2.5-inch long stalks. Separate the stem and the leaves because they take different amount of time to cook. I like to add some Thai bird-eye chilies and some minced garlic. They're gonna go into the wok with the stems, so I put them together. For the stir-fry sauce, you will need 1 teaspoon of cornstarch because we are using the water stir-fry method, and the starch will help to thicken the sauce. 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 piece of fermented bean curd to give the dish a distinctive taste. If you don't have it, you can use a teaspoon of miso paste or Korean soybean paste as a replacement. Mix well and set it aside. Heat the wok until smoking hot. Add a big drizzle of oil and wait until the oil is slightly smoking. Here is the water stir-fry trick. I'm going to pour in 1/4 cup of hot water, which I pre-boiled in the microwave. Yes, it will create a vicious splashing. That's why you have to add the water spinach stem, garlic, and the Thai bird-eye chilies at the same time. All these ingredients calm the splash down. Then you won't get hurt. This cooking method is called 水炒. Under high temperature, the oil and the water will form a stable mixture, which can cover the surface of the vegetables, preventing the iron from oxidation, so your water spinach stays green. Alright, you're done! The total cooking time is like less than 2 minutes. Super fast side dish, and it is simply delicious. For your reference, without this water stir-fry method, the water spinach will look less green like this. It may not matter for home cooking, but when you go to a restaurant and you see this, it tells you the level of the chef. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe link is in the description. Go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious Chinese food. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!